shoulder. Put your finger up here on the trigger.
Open up the door.
You gotta reach up here with your other hand. Hold it up. Alright. Can you see him through the scope? You see them 4 hairs in there? Alright, put the 4 hairs on his shoulder and turn it loose. You pull the trigger. It's hard, just pull. Pull that trigger.
Pull hard.
Yeah, you can. Here, let me help you. Oh! Oh!
Oh!
You see?
Did you get it? Noah! Noah, look at me! Noah! Did you do it? Huh? Oh, I got that one.
Thank you.
His eyes on him are.
No, give me 5.
I bet you stung him. Gimme.
That was so cool.
You almost got him, didn't you?
You skinned his ears.
Yeah.
He's still in shock.
Was that fun?
I think we ran that one off for a day or so.
It's a video.
So cute.
It's a video.
Did you shoot a deer, buddy?
Wow.
Yeah, with a
What?
gun.
Yeah, with a gun.
You know what? You caught your